Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup out of paper. First, it's crucial to understand that paper is not food and should never be consumed. Attempting to make soup from paper is unsafe and can lead to serious health problems. Paper lacks any nutritional value, and your body cannot properly digest it. Therefore, the only responsible approach is to acknowledge that paper cannot be made into edible soup. Since actual paper soup is impossible, let's explore a creative interpretation. You could craft an artistic representation of soup using various types of paper. Imagine cutting out shapes for vegetables or even creating a three-dimensional paper bowl. This allows you to make soup out of paper in a purely visual and imaginative sense without any health risks. It's a fun way to engage with the concept. The most practical and safe interpretation of making soup out of paper involves using paper as a medium for information. Think about all the delicious soup recipes you can find and print out. You can compile a personal cookbook filled with your favorite hearty stews and broths, all on paper. This way, paper helps you create actual, edible soup rather than being an ingredient itself. Now that we've clarified the paper soup dilemma, let's talk about making actual, delicious soup. There are countless wonderful recipes to explore, from a comforting lentil soup to a spicy tortilla soup. While your soup simmers, why not curl up with a good book? For an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.